Hi, I am Yuka. Today I am sharing a 3 free VTuber models that you can use for your own content. The first model has a direct download link in the description. For the other two models, just watch 3 ad to unlock them. They are still completely free. All models are half body Chibi with Live2D models, made in free version of Live2D with 1500x 1500 canvas size. You can use them in VTuber Studio. Rename that however you like and create your content.